Hi guys, jadi this is day 2 of me in Singapore. So today aku bakal ajak kalian jalan-jalan ke Studio Ghibli exhibition yang diadakan di Art Museum Singapore. Nah, first thing first, kita bakalan ke MRT buat beli EasyLink. So basically EasyLink itu e-money buat bayar apapun including bayar MRT. There it is, the SkyTrain for going to Terminal 2. So here we go. Oh my god, I wish I didn't like want to go there. Right in time.
Please hold on to the handrails. We are now leaving Terminal 2.
We're heading Terminal 2 with the SkyTrain. Get off from the SkyTrain. Nah, pas nyampe di Terminal 2, langsung aja cari train to city. Tarik dulu. Take my money. So here it is. I'm going to MRT to city. There. Nah, di depan ini kita ada lift turun buat ke MRT-nya. Di sini aku mampir dulu buat lihat rute untuk ke Marina Bay. Sebelum masuk ke stasiunnya ada banyak banget counter buat beli EasyLink. And here I buy a card for $5 and then top up for $10. And I think it's enough for me to go around in Singapore. And here we are in Bayfront. There's our destination to Marina Bay. So I'm going to use the lift. Now I'm at Marina Bay. Di sini karena saya sota, makanya saya tersesat guys. Harusnya tetap saja di Bayfront, nggak usah ke Marina Bay. Jadi ya sudah, keliling-keliling nggak dulu di Marina Bay. Hence of that, aku keliling-keliling aja di Marina Bay, lihat-lihat buildings, lihat-lihat tamannya yang super duper cantik banget. Dan aku jalan-jalan aja, ada sepeda disediain di situ, jadi aku naik sepeda keliling-keliling. Nah, sehabis kita sampai di Bayfront, langsung naik aja ke liftnya dan kita bakalan lihat di sini ada kayak sign gitu. Tinggal baca kemana sih Art Science Museumnya dan kita ikutin arahnya. Art Science Museum. Theater, Shopee and museum. Okay, let's just in. Di sini pas masuk kita bisa lihat bahwa ini hanya kayak untuk orang-orang elit ya guys. So ya udah aku jalan terus ikutin directionnya dan sampailah ke Art Science Museum. And this is the entrance. Auto. They say auto. Oh. Basement. So here is our destination. Oh, so exhibition start here and then it will end up in here. Okay, I wish there's no someone in the lift. I wish there's other people.
castle of Studio Ghibli is at the blue entrance.
Makanya deh. Okay, thank you. Wrong entrance. Oh my god, that is so embarrassing, but it's okay. Anyway, why my phone is not focusing? Here is our ticket. Be focused. And this is it. It's not wrong entrance anymore. Sedikit intro buat Studio Ghibli. Studio Ghibli was founded in June 15, 1985, Tokyo, Japan by Hayao Miyazaki. Since then, banyak banget karya-karya menarik yang dipublish such as Totoro, Spirited Away, and many much more. Film pertama yang ada di exhibitionnya itu Howl Moving Castle. Di sini kita diliatin secara nyata 3D Howl Moving Castle, guys. Jadi ya udah, di sini aku enjoy buat lihat-lihat aja. And this is me in front of the castle. Oh my god. As you can see, di sini kita bisa lihat topi-topi buatan Sophie. Dan masuk sini tuh kayak ajaib banget, dahsyat banget, kayak masuk ke dunia Howl gitu lah. Nah, di sini kita bisa spin bagaimana kagetnya Sophie ketika dia dikutuk menjadi tua ya guys. Setelah itu kita dilihatkan keisi rumah Howl Moving Castle. Jadi ini kita bisa lihat Sophie dengan meja-meja yang berantakan dan banyak banget barang yang nggak terurus. Dan di situ kita bisa lihat ada keterangannya inside the moving castle, guys. Nah, kalau kalian mau menghayati juga, kalian bisa denger langsung playlistnya ya guys kalau mau masuk sini. Jadi di sini aku foto sama Sophie dan Michael. Dan juga aku bakalan liatin kalian bahwa di sini ada juga book-book, dimana di sini semua Howl, Calcifer, dan Michael makan. Dan ini Calcifer. Dan ada telurnya juga di situ. Dan kita foto dulu sama Howl. Ini dia Howl. Oh my god. Di sini aku liatin ada Calcifer. And here's the crows. They're so cute. Oh my god. Zoom on. See? Oh, this is the witch. It's my turn. Wow, 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 wow. I can't believe I'm here. So cool. Film kedua ada Castle in the Sky yang menceritakan tentang seorang anak kecil bernama Shita dan temannya Pazu yang mempunyai mimpi untuk menemukan Laputa, kota yang hanya ada dalam legenda. Continue again. Look at this. Cool, isn't it? I'm coming, cheetah. Which? It's Laputa. That saw Laputa inside the dragon lair. And landing Laputa Castle. And this is the inverted castle. Look. Whoa. Tonari no Totoro yang bercerita tentang Satsuki dan Mei yang pindah ke desa bersama ayahnya untuk tinggal di rumah baru. Suatu hari mereka bertemu Totoro, roh penjaga hutan.
Here is it. Oh my god. And this is Totoro. And this is Dust Bunnies, if you knew and you knew. And this is the cat bus, the iconic one. Look at this dust.
Di sela-sela pameran ada juga fun activities kayak gini. Kita disuruh buat origami Totoro. And I really guarantee that this is not boring at all, guys.
Right? Here's the paper.
Find the dust. Okay, I'm going to try this one. No. Dust. Setelah itu kita antri buat difotoin sama Totoro.
Okay, I'm next to this person. Are you Totoro? Wait a minute. You can use this. Take it. Nice slipping off. So amazing. And this is the basket. Oh my god.
Another fun activities, we are required to make our own taumatrope, which is kayak kita ambil aja ini papernya, habis itu ambil stamp and then just stamp it out, and then we got this cutesy taumatrope. Nah, di sini kita lanjut naik ke lantai 3 untuk ke studio Ghibli selanjutnya. Nah, ini dia kita sampai di lantai 3. Babi Merah atau Porco Rosso bercerita tentang mantan pilot pesawat tempur Italia bernama Marco. Setelah Perang Dunia Pertama, ia berubah menjadi seorang pria setengah babi karena suatu kejadian misterius. Cerita ini menceritakan Marco yang berusaha mencari kedamaian di hidupnya. This movie taught us to accept ourselves, let go of past. Aku paling suka karakter Marco yang berani dan really appreciate freedom. One quote yang paling aku suka dari Marco itu,
I'd rather be a pig than a fascist.
dan karena itu, Porco Rosso masuk ke dalam top 5 my favorite Ghibli movie. Nah, selanjutnya, Pompoko bercerita tentang sekelompok rakun yang tinggal di hutan. Akan tetapi, habitat mereka terancam oleh pembangunan kota. Seekor rakun bernama Tanuki memiliki kemampuan untuk berubah-ubah bentuk. Hal ini digunakan Tanuki untuk menakut-nakuti manusia agar melindungi rumah mereka.
Look at this.
Menceritakan tentang konflik antara manusia dan alam, serta perjuangan untuk mencari keseimbangan di antara keduanya. Princess Mononoke, one of my top 5 Ghibli movie, yang memberikan saya insight baru terhadap love and maturing. Anyway, can we talk about how sweet Ashitaka is? Back to topic guys. Jadi di exhibition Princess Mononoke, I think everything was so pretty. Ashitaka is pretty and the princess itself was so pretty. And it's really worth the money guys. Kiki Delivery Service yang dirilis pada Juli 1989 menceritakan tentang petualangan seorang penyihir muda bernama Kiki yang ingin melatih kemampuannya. Di sepanjang perjalanan, ia menghadapi beberapa tantangan dan keraguan, terutama tentang kemampuan sihirnya dan rasa percaya diri. Nah, bisa kita lihat di sini ada statunya Kiki dengan kucingnya di mana dia lagi nganterin beberapa roti-roti. So we're at the Kiki's flying, and then I'm going to take a photo in here for sure. Dirilis pada tahun 2004, Spirited Away is my top number 1 favorite Ghibli movie. Spirited Away menceritakan tentang petualangan Chihiro, seorang gadis yang tidak sengaja masuk ke dalam dunia spiritual. Why this is 10 out of 10? Because I think almost everything in this movie is 10 out of 10. The soundtrack, the plot, the story, and the moral of this movie is don't forget who you are and just believe in yourself. Another fun activities, in here I drew some dust bunnies. Mereka udah nyediain pensil dan papernya, serta referensi dust bunnies banyak banget yang bisa kita contek. After grabbing the paper and the pencil, I start drawing and then look how focused I am guys. I'm so locked. And then I draw some confused dust bunnies. Sini ada Yubaba. I mean like nobody want to work with Yubaba guys. I don't want in my whole life even though ecstatic in here. Please, this is a lie. Moving on, here's is No Face when he was like eating a bunch of mega stuff. Last but not least, the Sixth Station. If you guys know me, I really love the Sixth Station. It was so melancholy and the back sound, it just hit me. Nah, setelah lewat dari exhibitionnya, kita bisa lihat merchandise yang ada di Ghibli Studio. Nah, ini ada boneka Totoro, tumbler, book, and many much more. Ini tapi mahal banget ya guys, mahal!
Sorry mom. I spent like $1 million in here. But it's totally worth it.
Nah, selesai exhibition ternyata di luar hujan dan aku sempatin buat main-main ke mallnya. Actually, I'm planning to go to Sky Park, but unfortunately it was closed. Jadi aku balik ke Changi Airport because like pesawat aku jam 4. Ya udah aku balik dengan buru-buru.
This is it. I'm going in again. Oh my god. I leave Singapore. Singapore is too expensive for me.
Here I am in the plane sama Maya dan kita menuju Vietnam. Dan ini dia Maya. Oops. I'm sorry Maya. Dan ini ketika kita udah mau landing. And here we are di Vietnam. Aku di Ho Chi Minh guys mendaratnya.
So we're already leaving the airport.
guys, today kita sudah ada di Vietnam dan sedang berada di bus dari kampusnya dan kita akan menuju segera ke asrama.
So we already at the guys to go this 37.
Great. Just one and just three because there will also be a Cambodian team waiting for you. So don't be late. And for the rules of the dorm, we are already.
Up, go up. Oh my god, we have like our private room, guys. Wait, mana juga dia? Here is my dorm, guys. It's quite actually so VIP, and look at the. Oh my god, it was so good than last time we got in here. I think my university just give me the best of the best. And this is my first meal for in this dorm. I don't know what is this, but just like sits like this.
Nah, di sini ternyata yang kumakan itu rasanya kayak sate, guys. Persis banget kayak sate. And that's all for today. I guess see you guys later. Bye bye.
Muchísimas gracias, doy clases los jueves.